Hello friends, my name is HIMANSHU and today I am going to discuss derivative of cos x using first principle. Derivative of sin x using first principle I already discussed in previous video. So today I am going to discuss derivative of cos x using first principle. So concept that we use to find derivative of f dash x equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. This is the concept that we use to find derivative of cos x. So f dash x equal to limit h tends to 0. Here fx is what? Cos x. Fx is cos x, and when we have to find f of x plus h, we simply replace x by x plus h. So f of x plus h becomes cos x plus h minus fx. Minus fx is what? Cos x by h. So above limit becomes limit h tends to 0 cos a plus b. Cos a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b minus sin a sin b. Here a equal to x and b equal to h. So this limit becomes cos x into cos h minus sin x into sin h minus cos x by h. Now we take limit h tends to 0. We take cos x common in this term and this term. So this expression becomes cos x. So cos h minus 1 minus sin x into sin h by h. Now distribute h for this term and this term. So this limit becomes limit h tends to, this is f dash x equal to limit h tends to 0 cos x into cos h minus 1 by h minus limit h tends to 0 sin x into sin h by h. So above expression can also be written as limit h tends to 0 cos h minus 1. We simply take cos x outside because cos x is independent of limit because x and here h tends to 0. So limit function only used for function which is dependent on h, means x cos x is independent of limit. This is we similarly treat x as a constant. So cos x is constant for this limit. If this concept is not clear, I repeat once again, cos h minus 1 by h. Here h tends to 0 means limit function is only used for function which is dependent on h. So cos x, here x, so this is independent of h. So we use only cos x, we use only limit for function which is dependent on h. We treat cos x as a constant. So cos h by h minus, similar concept here, so sin x into limit h tends to 0 sin h by h. Value of this limit h tends to theta tends to 0 sin theta by theta equal to 1. So value of this term is equal to 1 and the value of this limit is equal to 0. Why? Because this concept I already discussed when I was discussing derivative of sin x using first principle. If you want to know why the value of this limit is 0, please watch my previous video where I was discussed derivative of sin x. So this limit is equal to cos x into 0 minus, and why the value of this terms limit h tends to 0 sin h by h equal to 1. This concept I discussed in trigonometric limit. So go to the limit chapter and watch trigonometric limit. So sin x into 1, so minus sin x. So derivative of sin x cos x equal to minus sin x. So derivative of cos x equal to minus sin x. This is the standard relation. So that's all from today's class. In next video we will discuss derivative of tan x using first principle. So please like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.